No, like for real, because I kind of killed both of those dudes while breaking you life.
Dude, they're really gonna get mad about the fact that they got tased, but it took me 1 shot to tase them on this run, but it took me 6 to do it before. Have fun with that.
Oh, medic.
We were gonna get 1,000,000 bounties, but they're gone.
I need to go get pardoned. Is there any officers online?
Yo, I'm gonna become Vigi. I'm gonna get pardoned too.
I consider that killed in self-defense. I didn't.
So,
hold on, everybody, hold on. So, KK, do you want to run the Vigi?
I don't know, dude. I have workers' protection gun. Should I give this to Justin?
If you want, I want to go Vigi for a little
Justin,
bit.
T.
Okay, yo, what if you guys arrest me and get rid of my bounty? My
no,
yeah,
I'm gonna give you guys some gear.
I call it. How much bounty you got?
I have 98K. I just want to get rid of it. It'll take like 5 minutes in jail.
Who is this?
I'm taking off.
Okay, clear comms. I'm beside the guy in the blue shirt. You can restrain me, you know that.
Yeah, I'm stupid. Give me a second. My restraints got dropped. Do I really need to list you all your crap? Is that gonna matter?
No, just fucking restrain me and jail me.
Got it.
You're in my fucking clan and you're asking me if I want to go through a process. It's like, no, fuck no.
Could just be right here, isn't it? Fuck.
Yeah, you scroll wheel him, guy.
Okay. Got him.
Thank you. 7 minutes, not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad.
TT, why do you have your hands up?
Yo, wait, dude, did you just send him to jail?
Yes, I told him to. CK, I told him to.
We can't turn you in, dude. You're too low. We can't turn you in. You need to have 75K or more.
It's 60K.
Wait, you sure it's 60K?
Yes.
Yeah,
They changed
75. Yeah, they changed it to 75. Yeah, dude, we can't arrest you until you, like, go rob a... or something. Okay, 75K.
So, am I getting banned or are those T guys?
The only way you can solve that is if you go to an officer and try to get arrested.
So those T guys are getting banned because they left before anything happened, right?
Yes.
Got it.
I mean,
Did you upload the video?
I kind of broke new life rule to go kill him.
I mean,
both of them. But I consider that justified. They kept on killing me when I kept on getting revived almost instantly.
Hey, KK.
He's busy. He's talking to Justin.
Yeah.
Why can't I pay bail? Let me pay bail.
Yeah, that sucks. I just lost. I just lost 700K.
So, Skiggy, you wanna go and do a thing for a bit?
Alright, get in.
Everybody hold on, shut up. BW's in jail. Look at who's in jail. Fuckboy BW. How you doing? Shut the fuck up, fuckboy. No, we do. Nah, you guys fucking glitch, you little fucking pussies. You guys like to glitch in and out of fucking cars, huh? Little fucking pussies. Exactly.
Hey, so you guys want to ride? Back to Kavala?
It's okay, guy. It's okay, guy.
Hey, get in if you wanna. It's okay, are we doing a Vigi run?
You just fucking call it a Vigi run.
I don't give a shit. I don't care.
Yo, are we doing a Vigi run, boys?
This ride's going to Kavala. I'll drop you off there and you can do whatever you want.
KK, come on.
Hey guys, let's do a rebel run.
I'm gonna hate you.
Man, those fuckers were hard to kill. Because they had all that armored gear.
You guys, let's do an APD run.
Yo, wait up.
Whatchamacallit, yeah, I killed both of them.
Of that? You got a recording of that, Joe?
Oh, it's okay, guy.